Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this device. You need to start by opening device's settings. Now click on display section over here and scroll down just a bit. Following that, you need to choose font. Now swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview here, and when you're ready, just click on the back button. As you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!